how-tos. I'm Laura Konz, a certified Pilates teacher, and I'm here with the Desire Company. How to do some planks with your flex discs. I'm going to bring this down for my toes. I have these really handy mats that comes with them. So I'll bring those out for my hands. I'm going to step my toes out into the center, feel the shoulders down the back, tuck that tail, get nice and long in that plank. Then I'm going to pike my hips up to the ceiling and then roll it back out. I love how the wheels on these actually can work on this desk, on this deck here. I love how the wheels can roll on this deck. Next thing we'll do is some drawing into the knees and then pushing them back out. So we'll pull them in and push them back out. One more here. Good. One more fun thing to do a single leg plank. So I have one foot on the floor and one leg on my flex disc. I'm going to pull the knee in and then press it back out. Pulling it in, pressing it back out. So those are some fun planks to do with my flex disc.